I'll turn the camera around.
Sweet.
There
we go.
Alright, we got Matt hooked up. And Sean's over here doubled over. What do you gotta say, Matt?
Kicking ass and taking names.
Kicking ass, taking names, baby. Pull and drag, double header on.
It's crushing my nuts.
Hey, you don't want the belt.
Nah. I don't need more kids, man. I'm good.
Definitely two different sharks.
You sure?
Weight on them, doesn't he? I mean, I'm just thinking, yeah. I mean, ours hit, then I said Bo, like, you see Bo's balloon.
I was
like,
letting it out at the same time.
Hillbilly backwater fishing.
Hillbilly backwater fishing.
Nice one on the Sam Scott.
We just needed those guys over there.
Yeah. Sheep hooker on the Saturday, baby. Double up. We got Sean doubled up over here. What do you got to say, Sean?
You know, we just needed some people to leave, man. And we're doubled up.
What do you got to say, Matt?
Ain't nothing better than a foursome.
Nothing better than a foursome. Oh, shit.
Whoa.
You're good.
How old are you?
23.
Fucking double your age. You're 46. The old bull and the young bull, man.
Young Captain.
Captain Luddy over here. Professional volleyball player.
That's me.
Watch out for the spike.
Again, it says on the toilet door.
Oh, there he goes.
Now he knows he's hooked.
J Rose Riggs coming in hot, baby.
Don't even say that shit, man.
That rig ain't breaking.
I'm just going to the motion. I don't want to bite it.
Matt, you're doing good, bud. You got 3 followers. Ruth Sparks,
Oh, bless him.
Abby Riley, and Hector Lee. He's still under you. Yeah, you're way over him. Come under, Matt.
Head left. Yep. Or right. There you go.
I don't think it's a bullshot. It's not heady enough.
And Bo, get that on my.
Air cap, Fort Pierce Inlet.
Team USA.
Cruising, man. Look at that baby. That baby's cruising.
I might need that belt now, man.
Oh crap, your phone. No, don't give him the belt. Don't give him the
I
belt.
don't need a belt.
You don't want to have kids anyway.
I'll send you
Whoa!
pictures of my bruised nuts later. Save it for special time.
J-Ro, you're going to land them?
Oh, you swapped fucking rods. That's not good.
Yeah, sissies.
I'm left-handed on a right-handed reel.
You're alright. Turn it upside down if you want. When he gets closer, you're going to have to try to force him that way around them rocks. J-Ro, where do you want to go with him?
Not that big. He's just
Keep this one and we'll land it.
We can just go off this one here.
Land it right there?
Yeah. You never know. Sharks are weird.
This is a big problem.
Go left or right. We want them to stay to the right. Buddy, no joke. I think you got like a barracuda on or something. No. Stand here. Sure.
Keep it tight, keep it tight.
Keep it tight. Stand here. Okay.
Keep it tight, keep it tight.
Keep it tight. Keep it tight.
He's swimming towards you. Easy, Matt. No quick movements over there, bud.
Still on left?
We got a bigger shark than these guys over here, alright? You're not the only one. 2 rats fucking in a wool sock in the Sahara Desert. You want the belt, man?
Good. If I take the belt now, I'll be letting the side down. Right, he's heading close now. What's the front?
You're gonna try to just keep your rod tip over there, and
I can feel it hitting the rocks, man.
you gotta do. Try to horse him that way or something.
That's what I thought I'd do.
Or is he? He's coming back this way. You gotta go around him. You gotta come around him on this way. You gotta go around him. Keep it tight on him. Now try to horse him around them rock tips if you can.
There you go.
Don't give him no slack on that when you bring it back down. You got a thresher shark. Big thresher.
Buddy, you definitely have a shark on, bro. I just saw it jump. Something jumped out there. Like, out a little further.
No slack, mate. Where's he at? Don't let him get in them rocks.
Yeah, buddy, I don't think we have anything on. No, rod tip up this way, to the right.
Is he pulling drag?
There you go. Keep him left. Keep him going left.
That's a topping.
No.
No, the topping's in front of it.
Y'all got one on there?
Yeah, I know.
Y'all got one on there, man.
Yeah, the balloons are moving. Just leave him, bud. Just leave him out there.
Let that great.
Some toppings,
Yeah,
right?
no joke. He might have a tarpon.
No, I'll freak out if that's starving.
Go in the freezer, dog.
Whoa!
Straight back out if it is.
No. Bringing him home.
Jero, you want a video and I'll land it, or you want a video and you'll land it? You got him, Matt. Keep it up, bud. No slack on that. Don't give him no slack, man. Sean, you gonna land it?
Yeah, me and Buddy can.
Mark Zerzam's watching. Keep him this way, to the left. Turn his head to the left. Try to turn his head, mate. Oh, get him out of there. Get him out of there. Get him out of there. Sean, he's ready.
No, we're gonna get him over here behind these people. In our little cubby hole.
Your cubby hole?
Yeah.
I love cubby holes.
Love the cubby hole.
Hey, start walking this way with them to their cubby hole. Watch your step. Watch your step.
They'll throw a tail rope on it, we'll drag him up. Oh, you're good, stay here, you're good.
Little bull?
Nah, a little black tip.
Yeah, I think it was the lowest heading.
Look at our balloons.
J-Row rig, dog. You got 2.5 foot a leader. Watch the braid. Get him with that wave in here. Get a couple more cranks on him. Don't let him fall. Don't fall in there, man. Look like you're locked over the wall.
46.
46 months old, catching sharks. J-Row, catch that shark, man.
Hey, just slowly crank, because wait, we're going to mess with this one first. Just leave him out there. He's good. As long as he stays out, we're good. Go, Luddy.
Luddy, grab that thing, man.
Grab that thing.
Luddy!
Luddy.
Luddy, land the shark.
God, Letty. Lost the touch.
Oh, oh.
You good? Let's go.
Crank on him.
Keep going, go, go.
Real.
Up. Pull up. Go down. Hey, Ben. Go, keep going back.
Don't fall over, man.
When this 40-pound shark work?
He's bigger than 40 pounds, man.
I'm kidding.
About 45, 46 pounds.
Normally we throw them back out for bait.
It's,
No.
No.
Crank down soon and bump up.
Like those are feisty sharks, huh?
Pound for pound, the strongest shark out there.
There we go. Get him in here. Get him in here.
Crank. Nowhere to go. Buddy, be careful.
Yeah, Luddy's a madman.
Crank down.
We got him. Oh,
Pull up. Get back up.
I need a gap for this.
here, step on. Yeah. His tail's flapping like a motherfucker.
Watch it.
You want me to hop down there and hold his head? Watch out. You want to hop down there and hold his head?
He's a feisty little guy.
Grab his tail right there.
Zero, go get my hand down there.
There, you should be able to get him right there. Hop on the other rock. Hop behind and go.
There we go. Nice catch, man. Gets all rough all of a sudden, huh? Caught shark, man.
Yes.
Here we go. Oh, you ready?
Yep. Yeah, you can give it slack on that reel. Give it slack on that, yeah.
Where's J-Ro?
Don't bird nest it though.
You're good. Ready?
Thanks, buddy. There you go, man.
Sweet.
Hey, get a picture with it.
Baby black tip, huh? Yeah, is this still video?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Hey, get behind him.
Little black tip. Down, sweating. I'm gonna switch up so I can get some pictures later.